name's Lauren Fowler.
And my name's Brittany Yanik.
And the experiment today we are doing is elephant's toothpaste.
Have you ever used hydrogen peroxide on a cut? Whenever you apply the hydrogen peroxide to a cut, there's bubbling and fizzing. This is because it's a chemical reaction. The same type of chemical reaction happens in elephant's toothpaste.
So when performing this experiment, you must wear gloves and goggles because hydrogen peroxide in high concentrations is very corrosive to your skin, eyes, and throat. The hydrogen peroxide you use in your house is about 3% concentration, and the concentration that we're using today is between 30 and 35%.
So to start the experiment, Lauren is going to pour about 20 milliliters of hydrogen peroxide into the cylinder.
Okay. And in the original experiment, it only requires about 1.5 milliliters of dishwashing detergent, but for visual effect today, we're going to use about 15 milliliters.
For color, so that you can see the bubbling and fizzing, she's going to add red and blue. Hopefully we'll get purple.
Okay. And in order to start the reaction, Brittany is going to add 2.5 grams of potassium iodide. See lots of foam is produced.
If you were able to be here and feel the cylinder, you would feel a lot of heat. This means that it's an exothermic reaction.
This experiment shows the decomposition of hydrogen peroxide that is catalyzed by potassium iodide. And when hydrogen peroxide is decomposed, it produces water and oxygen gas. And the foaming is created by the dishwashing detergent that was added before the reaction.
So in this experiment, there's a catalyst. The catalyst in this experiment is potassium iodide, and it makes the hydrogen peroxide molecule release the oxygen molecule faster, which is why you see the eruption. The catalyst is still present at the end of the reaction, and it doesn't really undergo a change. It just speeds up the reaction.
One example of a catalyst in everyday life is in your car engine. When you burn gasoline to create energy, it's an exothermic reaction called combustion, and they put a catalyst in the engine in order to burn the gasoline faster, which releases less harmful toxins into the atmosphere.
You can see that a chemical reaction has taken place as evidenced by the gas that's being released and also by the temperature change.
And our original experiment was found at chemistry.about.com, and that is the end of our experiment and the rest of our references.